Okay, quick video. An iPhone 13 Pro Max has just come in. That's the screen protector that's broken. So it's dead to the world. Just powered off overnight. Customer says. When we plug it into our computer, it's not detected by the computer. And if we try it on charge, we get nothing on wireless charging, nor do we get anything on charge. Totally dead. So what we're going to do, we're going to quickly open it up and see what's going on. So we'll put it on the heat mat, let it get nice and warm, and we'll take the screen off. Okay, with it nice and warm, take the two screws out the bottom, and then I like to use one of these blades to get right in the bottom there. Then we can start prying it up, and we can add a little bit of alcohol, and that will work its way around the adhesive, as you can see. Right, I'm going to have to use two hands now, I'm afraid. Then I still want to just put some alcohol down the sides to loosen up that adhesive. Okay, so with it open, just going to take the battery connector off. And what I'm gonna do, disconnect the battery like that, and plug it back in. And let's see what happens now when I put it on charge. Apple logo. So basically, your iPhone is shit.